Hey there guys, wanna check message requests on Snapchat without being friends? Let me show you how to simply do it, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial, and now let's begin. First off, obviously open Snapchat on your device and now tap your profile icon at the top left. Now from the accounts page, just click that gear icon at the top right and you'll be taken to the settings page. And I will slowly scroll down until you see the privacy controls section right here, and just tap on the contact me option right here. And now here, set it for friends and contacts. Afterwards, simply go back from here back to your accounts page, scroll down a bit and tap on the add friends. Now, if you have an existing request from a non-friend or non-contact person, here will be located all of the requests right there at the top right. So you can accept it or not, and if you accept it, from here just go back and open chats page. So the chat will automatically be taken right here, and now you can begin to chat with this person. And if you want to view their message but you do not want to let them know if you have viewed it inside the app, just slide the chat to the right while holding their Bitmoji, just like that. Now read the message and slide it back so they will not be able to see if you viewed their message or not. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.